Hello everybody and welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel. Today we are going to be taking a very quick look at our most popular crystal and gemstone collector's kit. So this kit includes exactly what you see, all 45 wands and spheres and crystal quartz shards all together in a single crystal collector's kit. The total kit price is only $139, which actually makes this a real steal, a real bargain. Because individually these crystals on their own in shops would probably cost anywhere from $20 to $30 a piece. So when you add it all up together, you're actually getting all of the crystals in this set for about $3 each. So this is absolutely ridiculous. The pricing on this collector's kit is one of our, it is our legit best selling, most popular crystal kit ever. We've got a bunch more as well on our website. Feel free to check those out. Link in the description below. And yeah, if you like crystals and you're looking for a way to really expand your collection without breaking your bank account, the Crystal Collector's Kit is definitely something you're going to want to check out. So that has been our really quick look at our popular Crystal Collector's Kit.